Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new and you've never seen my face before. I haven't filmed kind of like a sit down chit chat, get ready your hair or anything like that for a little while. It's kind of just been like vlogs and some hauls the past few months, which I really enjoy filming, and I know some of you guys do enjoy watching, but I do like to switch things up, and I'm really excited because I've actually been sent a couple of pieces from Insert Name Here. If you don't know who they are, they're a very well-known hair brand. They sell hair tools, hair extensions, hair accessories, like so many things. I've actually got a tool and hair extensions to basically review, do some first impressions and show you guys how I would use it. I'm really excited because I just love new hair pieces. If you follow me on Instagram or even like TikTok, I'm always trying out different like ponytail clip-ins, like wigs, extensions and anything else in between. So if this does sound up your street and you are after maybe some new hairstyle inspiration or some new extensions or a new hair tool, then definitely keep watching. If you do enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I'm going to stop waffling and just get straight into this. So they actually collaborated with Barbie. I was such a Barbie girl when I was younger. I also loved Bratz, but Barbie is like so iconic, and there's so many things like coming back, and they're doing lots of collaborations. They did one with Glossybox, and the Barbie Glossybox was incredible, so I have high hopes for this. So this is the Barbie and Insert Name Here Totally 2-in-1 hair styler. I love the colours on it. I think it's so cool. All the do's you can do: sleek and straight, soft curls, or flip out the ends. They're twisted. I was just thinking they were like normal straighteners, but I don't know why I didn't realise this. Can you tell that they're like, they're twisted? So I have just incurred, is that the word, a problem. It doesn't actually say, but it's come with one of these plugs, not like a UK, I thought they were, I'm sure they're a UK brand, so I'm not really sure why this is on the end, and I don't even know what kind of plug this is, and I don't have an adapter. I just went to find my GHDs because I know that these plugs come out, so I've just unscrewed it, but it's not the same. They're like round ones, these are flat, so I can't actually use these. Okay, well these are gonna have to sit by the side for now. I'm very impressed by like the style of them. Obviously they look super cute, but yeah, I'm really intrigued to see if they do kind of like curl your hair a little bit better because of the twisted plates. But maybe I'll do like a proper like TikTok or a reel or something explaining these a bit more, but I will link them down below. But just be aware of that if you are interested in these straighteners. I'm just gonna have to use my normal straighteners for now, just to tame my hair a bit before we pop these in. So this is the Courtney half up half down straight with swooped ends extensions from Insert Name Here. This packaging is really nice. It's like satiny on the back, and then obviously you've got your clear plastic bit there. This is like specifically to do half up half down in your hair, but I'm really excited to try it out. Just so you guys know, this top little popper bit is separate, and they have a strand of hair, they have a strand of hair in there that you can kind of put against your hair to see if it'll match before you open the actual bottom bit, because obviously once you open that you can't return it, but if it doesn't match your hair then you can send it back. But actually I think this is a really good match for my hair. We've got a little how to wear card, and then you've got kind of like a little bit about the other products in here. Oh wow, look at these guys, they feel really nice, and actually that colour is perfect. We are on to a winner. So I'm gonna section the bottom part first with a really thin bottom bit of my hair. So I need the shortest weft. This is the shortest one with 3 wefts, so this will go at the bottom, and you can back comb like the roots of each section if you want to. Okay, so that's one section gripped in, and then I'm going to take the next section and give that a brush out and clip this one in. The last section, this has 4 grips. Okay. Right, and then you want to put just that tiny section left over it. And I'm gonna use a bit of gel to slick some of my sides back. And then I'm gonna hairspray a bit. And I've got like a ball bristle kind of brush that just helps smooth the hair. Right, now I'm just gonna brush these bits out on the sides. I love the little flicks on it. And then with this ponytail wraparound part, of course I've got my little ponytail here, and it's got a clip there that you grip into the front bit here under the bobble, and you just gotta wrap. Just careful you don't get your hair caught in it. Make sure that's super tight there and start wrapping then hair around it. And then I'm going to take one of the grips and just secure like the last little bit under the hair. And I'm just going to give this ponytail a little brush out. Voila! Look at that. I feel like Ariana Grande. Feels really, really nice. It genuinely feels like human hair. So voluminous, very cute. And to be honest, if you've got naturally like sleeker hair, it is minimal heat damage to your hair because you don't really have to straighten it. Obviously if you've got a bit frizzy and like kinky hair like me, I did straighten it a little bit, but not that much. But like the rest of this hairstyle does the talking for you, so it's really like, yeah, once you get the hang of that, that is so easy. I am so pleased. So like I said, this is the Courtney style. They have a few different like variations of the half up half down, but I really like this flicked out end, and the colour ash brown is literally like perfect for my hair. Obviously you could put like your ponytail further up on your head, but it hurts my head when it's like too high up. I'm so pleasantly surprised by how much I like this hairstyle on me, and to that I have to say this is well worth your money. So if you are interested, guys, I will leave the link in my description with all of the details, but like I said, there are so many other options on the website. So even if you don't want half up half down style, they have normal extensions on there, or if you want like a curly half up half down style, they have that too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. It would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.